Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to remove page title in Shopify. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to customize your Shopify online store without hiring a developer, without any coding skill, then you can continue this video. Here I am going to share the easy and fast solution that will save your time and money. So, let's get started. Here is my Shopify online store and I'm going to click on the about menu. Here is the about page and looks here, go to the contact page. Here is the title of contact page. In the same way, go to the blog page or news page. Here is the title of this page. Okay, and we wanted to remove this title from our store. Okay, to do this, I'm going to my Shopify admin panel. Here is my Shopify admin panel. Then click on the online store. Then click on this three dot icon, edit code, type CSS, open base.css file, go to the bottom of this file, create some space. Okay, now simply add a code. So I'm going to paste the code. Looks here, page title display none. I'll share this code in the video description, so don't worry about that. Okay, click on the save. Asset save. Now go back my about page, reload. Wow, the title has been removed. Also, if I go to the contact page, it's worked. So I hope you understand the easy process. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Hey there, I am Faisal Ahmed. If you're looking any Shopify expert or digital marketer or website designer to make your website using WordPress, Shopify, Duda, Wix or any other page builder, then you can contact with me. Also, I am working as a SEO expert, so you can consider me your next project. I am available to start your project. So if you need fast delivery with high quality support or service, then you can consider. Have a nice day. Bye bye.